Every home has areas that are underlit, and lighting these spaces can be difficult and expensive. Introducing the Luminoodle Click. The Luminoodle Click is perfect for providing useful light for closets, pantries, sheds, and anywhere your house is lacking light. And the best part? You don't need an outlet. Everything you need is in the box, even the batteries. It's as easy as stick and click, making for a painless installation and a surprisingly satisfying click every time you hit the button. With over 3 feet of flexible LED light, the Luminoodle Click will brighten up your home's most unique nooks and crannies, and its simple design blends right in, providing light exactly how you need it.